The Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Pinyat Singh CM, informed has sought a report from the Secretary of Executive Committee on the list of toll gates operated by the Council. CM said it will be difficult for the present EC to clearly provide the total number of operational toll gates, but assured that the new EC will take all possible steps to ensure that no illegal toll gates are allowed to operate. He further added that they are on the job to prepare the working plan to submit to the state government. The KHADC had earlier said it would not hesitate to shut down any toll gates that is found collecting taxes illegally.
But negara memiliki EDCs buat PWD department. Dan hakimi ke komiti tanpa kapal dengan syenti ini melalui dan meeting lah kumba arsil. Dan kami komiti kadai kebapik banyak pekapang yakini kita gates.